Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making stovepipe bread. I haven't made this bread since the 1980s. And one very special thing you have to have for this bread is a small 1-pound coffee can. And they don't make these anymore, so we've had these well, I have a set and Vicki has a set since probably the 1970s when we found this recipe in a cookbook my mother got with the mixer she had just bought. It's a great bread. I'm thinking it's a kind of a sweet bread, but I don't remember. It's been a while. So let's get started. And what they're asking me to do is to mix my flour and my yeast together for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add our warm milk mixture. And we want to mix this until it's smooth. Well, it looks pretty smooth, so now we're going to add our eggs. Alright, when that's blended really well, we're going to start adding more of our flour. 1 cup at a time. Is to spoon this into these 2 coffee cans. So that's what we are going to do. You know, it's been so long since I made this. I don't remember how this dough is supposed to look. All right, so we're gonna put our lids on and then we're gonna let it rise in a warm place. Oops. So this is going to have a long rise, 75 minutes in a warm place. So we'll put our lids on and then we're going to put it on a baking dish and let it rise for 75 minutes. Alrighty, here we go. Boy, these really rose. We still got a half an hour for the rise, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and heat the oven and get these in the oven. Okay, our oven's ready, and do you see how it's already kind of looking like a stovepipe? Alrighty, folks. Okay, we've waited our 10 minutes. Now we need to take them out of the can. Okay, these turned out just gorgeous. I cut the top off this one because I didn't want to ruin it. So I do want to slice this so we can try it. I don't think this is a sweet bread at all. For a minute there I thought it was, but it isn't. I don't think. Ooh. It's still warm, so I'm thinking maybe I cut it too warm. Butter's a bit cold. We have a slice. We put butter and strawberry jam on it. Now we get to try it. I haven't had this since probably the 1980s. I remember making it for my kids when they were little, and I didn't make it at all. Well, just eat a plain piece. Oh, that's good. It tastes like homemade bread. Maybe not specifically a white bread, but it's pretty close. That's really good. It was an interesting way to make bread, stovepipe bread. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. You have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.